Hi, gorgeous. Your body is a beautiful piece of erotic lingerie. Discover where your breath is within your body and softly, gently feel your body transforming into the most erotic lace. The transformation begins in your toes. Soften, soften, soften your toes. Feel the gentle, most erotic lingerie forming in your toes. Soften, soften, soften to this erotic lace. Feel a brightness coming up to your ankles. As you feel your ankles become lacier and lacier, your erotic design covered in crystals and gold and pearls and rubies. Come up to your calves. Radically awaken all the beauty within your calves. Take a nice, precious deep breath. Feel the eroticness come up to your thighs. Drop softer and softer and softer into your thighs. Now fall down deeper into your hips. Lose yourself in your velvet place. Feel the eroticness, the beauty, the light, the passion within your hips. Take a nice deep, deep, deep breath. Imagine that there's a Victoria's Secret symbol deep within your thigh. So there's a V and then there's a gentle S within the V. Take a nice, gorgeous, sexy, beautiful breath. Feel this gorgeous erotic energy come up to your stomach, then up to your chest, your breast. Feel this beautiful, erotic, peaceful energy in your fingers, in your arms, in your shoulders, in your lips. Your precious body, your beautiful body, your gorgeous goddess-like body is the most sensual, beautiful, sexy, and feminine erotic lingerie design in the world. So just feel it in your hips, feel it in your thighs, feel it in your lips, and wake up the sexy, gorgeous, and beautiful lingerie design of who you are as a woman.